Hello. I need more light. Is that better? I don't know. Okay. We're here. And I was just going to do a quick video today, coming from the Branson RV City Park in Branson, Missouri. A little bit in depth on the air fryer. Talked about it a little bit yesterday, and Tammy, I know you were kind of familiar with the air fryer, but you hadn't really done much with it or heard much about it, or maybe you have. So, what is an air fryer? Well, an air fryer is an alternative to traditional frying of food, and it is fantastic. My younger sister bought one for my father. My father got me turned on to it because I went over to his house and he made the best tater tots, and he made something else. What did he make? I think ribs in his. And I said, I got to get one. So I ended up getting one, and it has absolutely helped me in a capacity of being able to cook and eat kind of the things that I want at, within discretion and enjoy my food. So anyway, how does an air fryer work? An air fryer works with convection heat to move air around to cook. And a lot of times you can cook a lot faster. So we have two air fryers. I've got the one that I believe was like the made-for-TV one, and then the other one is called the New Wave. I personally kind of like the New Wave better, and I believe my friend Jamie just got one. Jamie, I know you're at work, so I think she said she got the New Wave, and she's been absolutely obsessed about it. So anyway, let me show you, and I did do a little bit of info on this, but these air fryers have, let's see here, they have the controls on these. Let me scoot around here so you can see. But they do have the little controller on here, and I know it's backwards, but you got French fries that are frozen, thawed. That looks like a pork chop. That looks like a chicken. Something else, like maybe frozen. I'm not sure what that is. And then fish. So I believe that the temperature on this will go all the way down to like 200, I think. Let me see. I think it goes down pretty far here. We'll take it all the way down. So, I mean, if you were going to slow cook, well, 195. Man, how far does this go? I guess I've never... So it'll go all the way down to 100 degrees Fahrenheit there. And then it'll go as warm as, I thought 390, maybe 400. I could be wrong like I was on the lower part. 400 is the highest temp you can do. So yesterday, Don made the chicken legs. I believe he did 390. He said he cooked them for 40 minutes. I like them crispy, and they were not dry at all when we cooked them. So the chicken legs are great in it. Some of the other things that I cook in it, I will do fish fillets. I will take avocado oil. I had it somewhere, and I don't know where I put it. Oh, here it is. So I'll use avocado oil. I got macadamia nut oil. Those are really the only two oils I use. And I will put it over the fish fillet. You can do some salt and pepper, some cornmeal. I'll do a light thing of cornmeal and just put it over it. Slap it in the air fryer. I do the fish setting. So the fish setting on this one would be 390. And like a piece of tilapia, seriously, done in like 10 minutes. I don't even think that I flip it. I think I just leave it in there for like the 10 minutes and it's done. Another thing that I've learned to make in them is I'll buy these thin crust little pizza things. I do this every once in a while. This is kind of me like being lazy. Like I want a pizza, but I don't want to make it with my proper almond flour. So I'll buy these Mama Mary's in the grocery store, and I'll put pizza sauce on it, and I'll put the key to this one, because the cheese will fly around in your air fryer, is to put the sauce, kind of like put your toppings on it first and put the sauce over it. And seriously, these are done in like 5 minutes. They cook quick. So sometimes I'll cook this like maybe a minute or two, and I use the 390 setting. Like I like a hotter setting on my pizzas, and so I'll do this for a minute or two, put on my toppings, a sauce, and then slap it in there for another 5 minutes. And it makes a quick pizza. Just a quick pizza. Another thing I'm going to try, I know Jamie was going to try it, but you can do vegetables in there. This is broccoli and cauliflower. I'm going to try that. The other thing I've been wanting to try that I haven't, because I think it would be really good, would be Brussels sprouts. They would work real good. But like I said, my dad's done tater tots in there, and I don't know what the air fryer does, but they make tater tots better, in my opinion, than deep frying them. They are crispy, they are light, they are not dried out, they taste great. The other thing, you can do potatoes in there. So these air fryers come with a recipe book, so you can mess with the recipe book. Plus, if you get on YouTube and some other channels, you definitely can get more recipes there. What else have I put in there? When I've had like really bad cheat days, I learned that they make jalapeno cream cheese poppers with the cream cheese and with the cheddar cheese, and I will throw them in there for like 10 minutes, and then bam, I've got poppers. Now when I'm doing hormone eating properly, I will take a jalapeno. I think I ate all my jalapeno. But I will take a fresh jalapeno. I will cut off the top, like cut it like that way. Clean it out. Put cream cheese in it, a little cayenne pepper, a little garlic powder, a little bit of salt. And then literally take a piece of bacon and like tear off like that much and just lay it on top. It'll stay, like smash it in the cream cheese, smash it into that popper and throw it in the air fryer for like 10 minutes, and then you have a jalapeno pop air fryer. So that being said, that gives you a little lowdown of the air fryer. Here's my other air fryer. It kind of sits back here by itself. That's mine. So it's there. Lisa Stevenson, if you catch this video or if you hear about this, we were talking about air fryers at the gym yesterday, and I asked Nathan, I'm like, you need a little air fryer in the office to cook while you're here, because, you know, you guys never leave. And Lisa, if you would like to borrow my extra air fryer for a while to see if you'd like an air fryer, let me know, because I think it would be great for you. And I don't make any money off the air fryer. I just like the air fryer. So those are some things you can do with the air fryer. If anyone else knows of anything you can do with the air fryer, please put it in the comments, because I'm always looking for new recipes for the air fryer. And if you got any questions, put them in the comments. If this page helps you, keep looking out for tomorrow. I've got some hormone quizzes coming out, and see if you can take the quiz. Females, take the quiz and see if you are possibly deficient in something, and let's fix it. So anyway, you guys have a great Thursday.